It's Patrick at Pals, and we've got an 07 Jeep Wrangler here. These are great vehicles. Dylan, what's the matter with this vehicle?
Seems to be the release bearing had failed. So we don't
Release
have any
bearing on what?
on the clutch.
On the clutch. So the release bearing releases the clutch from the friction material, so that it can drive. And that has failed. Now, about how many miles does this Jeep have on it?
155,000 miles, 2007. So it's pretty fair.
They did well, didn't they? 150,000 miles on the first clutch. They did really good. So you're gonna replace the clutch with a new one. At that time, will you replace the flywheel, or will you check it out to see if it needs it?
That's what we're gonna start doing now. We're gonna pull the transfer case, transmission, pull the pressure plate, and inspect the flywheel for any cracks, pitting, blue spots.
And go from there.
So there's anything like that, we'll replace the flywheel.
So there's two possibilities with the flywheel. We can turn it on our brake lathe, or we can replace it. And it just depends on the condition.
Well, it's best to replace it. You take material off of that flywheel, it'll warp over time. It'll warp a lot faster than what it would being, brand new with no material taken off of it.
Okay. So as you go along, we'll videotape you, and we'll show the folks how this goes together. But it's a Jeep Wrangler. It's got 150,000 miles on it. The clutch has failed. We'll take you through the process. See you soon.